30 days, 30 workouts, I lost 10 pounds, so can you. Hi guys, it's Jules, and in today's video, we're going over my 30-day activity challenge that I did over on Instagram, the tips and tricks, the results, how I'm feeling, and how to lose weight. I'm gonna go through the entire process later in the video, so stay tuned. A little bit of background about my weight. In childhood, I was not a skinny little child. I did have some metabolism issues. I blame my babysitter who used to make hot dogs and mac and cheese and pop and a lot of really processed foods. And then my parents got a convenience store when I was 14. This was the downward spiral of my teenage years. A chocolate bar a day did not help the situation, and with the compounding hormones and acne, teenagehood was just a mess. By the time I was 19, I was about 20 pounds above my ideal weight. At 19, I moved away for university, and at that time, I was able to lose about 10 of those extra pounds. So what is ideal body weight? Body weight is so personal, and it's really going to depend on what you want for yourself. We need to keep in mind it's not just aesthetic goals. I mean, we want to look a certain way, yes, but we also want to be healthy, we want to be strong, and we want to be vital. Body weight as well as vitality and health do play a part in anti-aging. I will leave a video link to that right here. I do think that a big part of it is self-analysis and self-assessment. I don't think that anybody or anything out there is going to tell you what it is that you want for yourself. Here are some of my tips. Hydration is so important. We need to hydrate because we can hold up to 5 pounds of excess water weight when we're dehydrated. The pyramid of weight loss is 3 factors. It is time, activity, and food. Controlling these 3 factors will be really important in your weight loss achievement goals. Physical activity is so important. You need to move your body. It doesn't matter what form of activity. Choose something, choose many things, vary it up, but move your body every day. This is math, people. The more you want to lose, the more you're gonna have to move. Really important on that triangle is food, the nutrition that you take into your body. This is gonna take a little bit of experimentation, whether that is just being aware of the food that you're eating or more extreme diets like intermittent fasting or keto or vegetarian or paleo or anything else. Food plays a really important part in weight loss. So boredom is one of the main components of excess eating, especially late night. Tracking your food and your diet is really important. Whether you're doing it on paper or whether you're doing it through an app like Noom or FitnessPal or Fitbit, keeping those numbers in check is really important. They've done studies to prove that people who keep track lose up to 6 pounds more than people that do not. Another way to keep accountable is also finding a friend or a fitness buddy. Whether you need information or whether you're having a hard time tracking these things or implementing these things, there's also professionals you can turn to. You should definitely go see your doctor, get blood work done, make sure that you check your hormone levels and your vitamin and your mineral levels, make sure that you're healthy and there's nothing else going on health-wise that will be affecting your health or your weight. You also can turn to personal trainers and dietitians and experts that can help you decipher what you need to do to lose weight or give you more food knowledge or more fitness knowledge. Inspiration is really important. I find that setting an outfit or a travel destination sometime, hopefully in the future, these things can inspire us to look better and feel better. And lastly, mindset and self-limiting beliefs. I want to talk about this. We definitely are not seeking perfection. Nobody is perfect. We want to have a well-balanced idea of fitness and weight loss. I think the key is that we need to be kind and mindful about our food and our bodies and our progress. Every day is not going to be perfect. Some days are going to be setbacks, but we need to really keep that in perspective. We have to try and have a goal of doing better for the long term. Sometimes we are going to fail, and that's okay. We're going to wake up the next day and that day is going to be a better day. Over the long term, as long as we have more better days than bad days, that is what is going to make a real difference in the long term. As promised, I'm gonna go through my weight loss journey. Recently during quarantine, I did lose 10 pounds doing 30 days of activity. Here are some clips. The next 30 days, I decided to do an activity challenge. Basically any sort of activity for an hour a day, walking, running, elliptical, skip rope, or floor workout. Let me know what you guys are doing and we can do it together. My little workout buddy, my cutie. Hey guys, today's day 5 of our activity challenge. Some of you messaged me and you're doing it with me, which makes me super excited that we get to do this together. If not, just join it. Doesn't matter what day it is. When you're trying to work out, when your dog's distracting you. Working out with my daughters, this is extremely helpful. Day 11 of our activity challenge. For those of you that are on it with me, awesome. For those of you that aren't, put down the chips. Put down the remote. Go move your butt now. Day 15, halfway through the challenge. Yeah! And those of you that are still doing it, awesome. Keep going. We have 15 more days to go. Just wanted to talk about body image. 10 pounds, 100 pounds. Doesn't matter. Let's just look better. Let's feel better. Let's do better. See you tomorrow. It's late, but 1 hour cardio has to get done. Also, trying a waist trainer today. 16 minutes complete. Look at they're looking. Both of them, isn't that funny? Let's talk booty gains before our cardio today. I struggle from pizza box butt, which is where your back turns into your butt, and it's a real struggle. And I figured out an exercise that works really well for me, so let me show you. Sometimes we have to be a burrito. Just make sure it's not for days. Charlie, we almost made it. Go Jules, you're so close. Day 29, almost there. Hey guys, it's the last day of our activity challenge. I can't believe 30 days has flown by. I just want to talk to you guys about some of my results. Did I lose any weight during the 30 days? The answer is yes. I have a ton more energy and I noticed that my skin and overall health just seems improved. Yay! Day 30. You feel so accomplished. Setting a goal and meeting that goal is really helpful, will boost your confidence, but just know that that is not the end. I mean, this is definitely meeting a goal, but you need to keep going. And even if it's not daily, to keep moving, keep active, to stay healthy, that is the larger goal. After all, healthy and happy is beautiful. In the future, I may do another activity challenge. I think that it was really helpful. If you want to see that, please follow me at Better Beauty. I hope you thought this was helpful. It was really fun to film. Like and comment, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Every time you like one of my videos, you lose a pound. Subscribe and you lose 10. Should I fill this with vodka? Leave me a comment. Because after all, it is all about balance.